Meaning of hairiness.
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 Hairiness. Hairiness refers to the state of having, being covered by, or producing an excessive amount of hair. Usually, this term is used in reference to animals and can describe their general appearance or a specific part of their body. Hairiness can also refer to excessive hair growth in humans, which may be genetic or caused by medical conditions such as hirsutism. Through evolution, hairiness has served various purposes such as insulation, camouflage, or as a deterrent to predators. Overall, hairiness refers to the presence or abundance of hair on an organism.